Hello everyone, welcome to eSpin Training. I'm Nazira. Today I would like to discuss with you about eSpin McAfee device control product overview. My dear friend, let me introduce you about McAfee device control. McAfee device control protect critical data from leaving your company through removable media such as USB drive, Apple iPods, Bluetooth device and recordable CDs and DVDs. It gives you the tools to monitor and control data transfer from all desktop and laptops, regardless of where users and confidential data go, even when they are not connected to the corporate network. Device control management. Manage policy include but not limited to support for plug and play device and removable storage device. Removable storage device can be blocked or made as a read only. Content-aware protection for removable storage device. Integration with McAfee endpoint encryption for file, folder and digital write management (DRM) solutions. File access protection for file that reside on removable storage device. Decentralized device rules blocks access to the team client device mapping, local drive, removable storage, printer, CD, DVD, clipboard, and more. Non-system hard disk rule blocks and monitor read-only files and provide notification of user action on fixed disk drivers. The key advantage of McAfee device control. First is unrivaled data protection. It specifies detailed hardware and content-based filtering, monitoring, and blocking of confidential data on any removable storage device. Second is comprehensive device management. It enables safe use of removable media device and no need to block all and hide the work productivity. Third is McAfee EPO centralized management platform. It's centralized deploy and manage security policy to prevent confidential data loss via removable media. And the last one is complete visibility. It's proof internal and regulatory compliance measure to auditors, board members, and other stakeholders. Regain control of data on removable media. First, protect your business from data loss. Second, maintain control over your confidential data. Enable productivity while ensuring USB data security. Centralize and simplify your security management. And the last one is proof compliance with less effort. Okay, this picture shows that McAfee device control specify which device can be used and what data can be copied. My dear friend, let me explain to you centralized management through McAfee EPO software. Some of the advantages include deploy and update McAfee device control agent via McAfee EPO software, manage McAfee device control policies and incident via McAfee EPO software, integrate with McAfee EPO software for event monitoring, centralized reporting and auditing capabilities, set rule-based access control, also known as separation of duties by McAfee EPO software for incident review, notify violators and managers automatically, and the last one is access help desk interface. Thank you for joining eSpain McAfee Device Control Product Overview Training. I'm Nazira. If you would like to inquire other product or need further information, kindly contact us or just visit to our website on www.e-spincorp.com. Thank you.